Disadvantages of the blockchain. Storage. Blockchains are not meant to store and send terabytes worth of data, as the network of computers doesn't have enough storage, yet, to hold vast amounts of data. So it's mainly used for transactions, not as a cloud storage platform. Unexplored. As blockchain technology is relatively new, its full potential as well as some of its pain points are yet to be explored and solved. Misinformation. The amount of false information about blockchain technology has been decreasing, but there are still sources that give misleading information. Rapid change and volatility. The blockchain world is changing almost every day. Most noticeable is the volatility of cryptocurrencies. They fluctuate a lot, and this means that people can lose a lot of money with them, but they can also gain a lot of money. Scammy. The information and the lack of knowledge mean that people can be taken advantage of. People want to be a part of the rapid growth, but tend to get pulled into different schemes, some of them honest, and some of them not so much.